Hi children, good morning to all. How are you all? I hope you all of you safe and fine by the grace of God. And today we are going to see grammar, English grammar. Today we are going to see in first chapter the alphabet. The alphabet. T-H-E, the alphabet. ALPHABET, alphabet. You all know how many letters are there in English? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Okay, first let's see the first letter of this animal's name. I have written here. You watch this lesson and write in your grammar book. See what this bird name called? Yes, owl. The first letter of owl is O. And next, this bird name is eagle. The first letter of eagle is E. This animal name is elephant. The first letter of elephant is E. And this animal name is zebra. The first letter of this animal name is Z. And this is peacock. This bird is peacock. First letter of this bird P. And next, this is rabbit. First letter of the rabbit R. This tortoise. First letter of the tortoise is T. And next, this is mouse. First letter of the mouse M. Okay, now let's go to the alphabet. Can you see here? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. This is called capital letters. These are the small letters. Have you ever written? Yes, you all studied well and written well in the UKG class. And this is very easy for us to write and learn. Grammar is very easy to understand and write. Okay, fill in the missing letters to complete the alphabet. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is capital letters. This is small letter. Here I have written here, but here already they given capital A and small letter A, and capital B also is there, small letter B also is there. In between here there are two blanks are given. Here you have to write capital C, small c, and capital D, small d. Here E is already given, and capital E and small e already have written. Here you have to write capital letter F, small letter F, like this. Next, G, capital G, small letter G, and the next capital H, small letter H, capital I, small I, capital J, small letter J. And next, K is given here already, capital K and small letter K. And next you have to write capital L, small l, capital M, small letter M. N is already given here, capital N and small n. And next, capital O, small o, capital B, small p. Like this you have to write. Wherever the blanks are given, you have to write capital letter and small letter. And next, here we begin our name with a capital letter. We begin our surname with a capital letter. The other letters are small. See, whenever we always used to write the name anything, we used to first we should use capital letter. Here there are many names are given. Mary Pinto, Ravi Sharma, Aslam Khan. These are, they have surnames. See, for example, I wrote my name. First I have written here capital Y, and next all this small letter. Like this you should write your name in this blank in your grammar book. Here already they given small a, small f, small h, small l, small r and small q. Now you have to write capital letter A, capital letter F, capital letter H, capital letter L and capital letter R and capital letter Q. You have to write. If you don't know, you should see these capital letters and small letter, and you can write in these blanks. Next, here write the letters which come before and after. You all know the ABCD, right? Here I have written already. You all know ABCD, right? See, before S, what alphabet will come? R. And after S, T. Next, before D, C. After D, E. Before H, G. After H, I. Like R, S, T. C, D, E. G, H, I. Like that only. Like that you should write our remaining all this. Here all they given in between O, Q, R. Before O, N and after O, P. Before Q, P. After Q, R. And before R, Q. After R, S. And before G, F. After G, H. Before E, D. After E, F. Before X, W. After X, Y. You have to write like this. And next, here they jumble all the alphabetic words, but we have to write in the order. Already they S, C, R, Q, P, S they given, but you should write in the order P, Q, R, S, like that only. Here also A, B, C, D. And next, K, L, M, N. And next, H, I, J, K. Like this you have to write in the alphabetic order. Next, see, first you should see the first letter in this. Write these words in alphabetical letter. First you should see letter for blue color is there on those letter you have to see. Here P, here M, here A they given. First which alphabet will come in the beginning? Yes, A it will come. Then you should write apple. Already they have written. And next, after A there is no B in this line, so you have to write mango. And the next, after M only P will come. No, so after mango you have to write pear. And next, here in this letters, in this alphabetic letter, which one will come in the first? Yes, you are right, E will come. First you have to write here eyes, and next hands, and next legs. Here table, chair, lamp. Which alphabet letter will come in the beginning first? Yes, C will come. So you have to write first chair, and next lamp, and next table. You have to write in this alphabetic letter. Next, here in this line, which letter will come in the first? C, V, B. Which one will come? Yes, B will come. So you have to write first bus, and next car and van. You all have to read this letter, these words one by one by spelling. You have to write. You have to write and read. M-A-N-G-O, mango. P-E-A-R, pear. E-Y-E-S, eyes. H-A-N-D-S, hands. L-E-G-S, legs. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. L-A-M-P, lamp. T-A-B-L-E, table. B-U-S, bus. C-A-R, car. V-A-N, van. Like this you have to read and write. Now let's go to the, there are 5 special letters in the alphabet. What are those 5 special letters? Yes, This they are A, E, I, O and U. These are called vowels. Have you learned this in UKG class? I hope you all learn. They are vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O and U. The other letters remaining B, C, D, all those letters and other letters are called consonants. Now let's go to the vowels. Here F and middle what animal this one have you ever seen? This is called fox. Here you have to write only vowels. Here you should write O. Already they have written. Here what picture is this? Cap. Which vowel you have to write here? Which alphabet letter? A. And next this is nest. This is called nest. Which alphabetic letter you have to write? E. N-E-S-T. Nest. Next, fish. This is called fish. Which alphabetic letter and the vowels, which one you have to write? I. F-I-S-H. Fish. And this is called toys. Which vowels you have to write? O. T-O-Y-S. Toys. Here you should write. Here you have to write everything capital letters. Next, we will see consonants. See, this is girl picture. You have to write here R, G-I-R-L, girl. Here S, S-U-N, sun. Here bat. This boy is holding the bat, B-A-T, bat. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Teddy, T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. Cat, C-A-T, cat. Leg, L-E-G, leg. You should write the G here. Here you should write C. Okay children, today we have learned the vowels and consonants and alphabetic letters before and after and how to write in alphabetic order. Okay children, you all have to fill how I fill in this book, in grammar book. Here you should write your name, not my name. Okay children, take care and write all this in your grammar book and take the picture and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Bye bye.